Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Single Line Code. So today, as discussed today, I will be talking about summarize function. So summarize function is uh, similar to group by function, but it generally does not aggregate it. It will only return a distinct amount of, or it will only return the unique value combinations. So think summarize function as your distinct values, or you do a select distinct right in SQL to get a unique combination of the items. So it's sort of similar on those lines. So let's quickly look at that using hands-on. So summarize is a very handy function when you want to see what or how many such unique items are present in your table. So let's quickly create a measure and see the syntax of it. You guys can also start, or you can say follow along with me. Summarize demo. So if I type in summarize, you will see it takes in a input of table, and then it takes it another input known as group by column name. So the syntax or the definition says that it creates a summary, the input table grouped by specific columns. I'll show you what that means via our hands-on. So if you see these two parameters, name one and expression one, these are actually extinct. They're not even they're not in use right now because they're deprecated. So only two parameters are taken here. First is your table, and the second one is group by name, column name. So let's take a group by. Okay, let's say employee lookup, or instead of taking employee lookup, I will take let's say sales by store. Sales by store, comma, I'll take the name customer ID. So I'm grouping by customer ID, correct? And then what I will do, I will take one more group by column name, which is sales by store. What else I can take? Sales by store. Let's say unit price. Close the parenthesis. Okay, let's see the first one then. I have given too many inputs, which is not allowed. So just closing this. So now, right now, what I'm doing is I'm just creating a table and I'm putting this summarize demo. Or you can also do this way. Just bring in the summarize. just copy paste the measures which I've created into a table. That would give you a clear idea instead of creating a measure directly. So I'll tell you how this measure can be handy when I'm taking that time intelligence function. So right now I'll show you via a table. You'll understand more via that. So as soon as I create a new table, you can see there are 2550 heroes, right? Now let's see if I can create or add some more values. Sales by store, quantity sold. So once I put this, now you can see if I sort my uh, customer ID by ascending, you will see a unique combination, right? There is no group by as you thought of a SQL language, right? If there was a SQL, you would have got customer customer ID 1 will have 3 value. This will be aggregated and you will see only one line item for one item. Like let's say for row with customer ID 1 will have aggregation of 3 values, right? This two will be aggregated. So it will only give you a unique return pair, or I would say think like select distinct in SQL, how you get a unique pair, right? You will not find duplicates. Similarly, it's that same thing. Like one will give you one, one will give you two, like a unique combination. You will not see a combination repeating. You will not see 1 1 1 1. Like similarly here 2 1 2 2 3 1 3 2. So it's a unique pair. Now if you see the distinct values for customer ID is 2250, that is what which makes sense. And summarized demo is total rows is around 4000. So total rows in the sense total rows present in the table, and column customer ID is having 2250. So that's how summarize function is quite handy to understand what sort of unique combinations you have. You can try that by your own by using different manipulation or permutation combination. You can also what do you call use let's say let's how do you manipulate it? You can use a filter function, quite handy, right? Use a filter function to a comma and put a sales by store customer ID. You would only require a customer ID of 100, right? Hit enter. It will give you that customer ID of 100. See, so this is how you manipulate the data. You find the data out. You do some extra ad hoc analysis, or you say exploratory data analysis. So that's all, guys, about summarize function. I hope you liked my video. If there are some distortions in the video or somewhere I fail to make you understand the function, please comment it out so that I can improve myself and help you guys in understanding the concepts of Power BI. Thank you, guys.